Hey guys, what's up? It's Nika with Fashionica, and as promised, this is the part 2 of my huge summer haul. This is going to be a culmination of literally everything I've purchased in the Philippines, whether it's accessories, shoes, bags, etc. So with that said, let's get on with this. If you're not subscribed, please be sure to subscribe and like this video if you like the haul so I know to do more, and let's get on with this. So the first item that I grabbed, this is gonna be a long video because I have a ton of stuff. First item that I grabbed is actually a phone case, and I really like this phone case because, I don't know, I just thought it was very luxe. It has the mother of pearl style and it has like the apple symbol. My phone is rose gold, so I liked that it continued to have that rose gold on this side. Really like this. It's really good quality. It covers the top layer, so I'm not really scared to drop it. That's my sister and my boyfriend, by the way, as my wallpaper. Let's just give them a little shout out right now. They literally fell asleep. We went on 9 plane rides and they fell asleep every single time. At the very beginning, woke up at the end. So frustrating because I can't do that. I love this phone case. I got this one for $5, so a pretty good deal. All right, moving on to the next item. The next item I grabbed was a pair of sunglasses. So this, I actually got it in America, but the only reason I am showcasing in this haul is because Asia is where it began. They have a plethora of stores and they only have a few in California right now. And I believe they have a pop-up in New York. This is a pair of Djinn Sunglasses. I grabbed this knowing that I was gonna use it like crazy when I was on vacation, and I did. The style is awesome, super cool, but I really liked this functionality where you can just take that off and then you can see I have become a librarian. I thought it was useful because I put the blue filter on these lenses, so it's easy for me when you know, I'm looking at a screen, my phone, my laptop working. I'm on it like 8 to 10 hours a day, so my eyes really strain, and with the blue lens it just helps me out so much. I have total confidence that my eyes are not being strained, and again, it's so easy to just throw on a pair of these. I'll keep a link in my bio if you guys want to check out the site. Oh my god, okay, this one is like, I'm so excited. I discovered this brand called Sunnies. They first started off as a sunglass shop and then a makeup shop that they recently opened. It's only in the Philippines, so if you're ever in the neighborhood, you gotta check them out. They're a company that I am completely head over heels for. But with that said, I'll show you the pair of sunglasses that I grabbed. They're super affordable. Like, this looks like such an expensive sunglass, like coming in a bag and everything, but this one was $10. It's just kind of crazy. This is their domino style in the color mocha. I wasn't sure what style I wanted, but I knew I had to take home a pair of Sunnies sunglasses because I would love to have like a collection of them. This is my first pair and I freaking love them. The style is so retro. I opted for this mocha color because I love the neutrals. I thought the style is pretty classic. All right, we're gonna move on to the Sunnies face makeup because that is the one I'm so excited to share with you guys. Like I said, Sunnies face recently came out, and you guys, I like knew I wanted to share this with you because their Instagram, first off, is so good. Their aesthetic is amazing. Everyone is hyping over it like in Asia right now. So obviously they need to come to America. I would love if they came even to LA. I'll like make the drive over there to get like as many products as I can. They only have like a brow product, lip products, highlighter, blush, and that's it. That's literally it. And I think that's what I love about it, because I'm just so confused whenever I go to makeup stores because there's just too many products and I don't know what each one does. So simplicity is great. They're super affordable. It's ridiculous. I only shopped there for 30 minutes, but I was able to grab a bunch because it was just so simple and easy. I got a bag, first off, the makeup bag. I was just like, it has the label. I kept them in the boxes to share with you guys so you guys can really see the full minimal packaging. This is their highlighter. I'm actually wearing it today to show you guys. This actually reminds me of a brand called Nude Sticks that we have in America. So it's basically like a stick and just glide it on. It's super easy to apply, and I think that's what's great about it. Next up, these are their newest products. It's called their Air Blush. It's essentially a blush. They are great because they also work as an eyeshadow and a lip gloss. Not gloss, like a lip tint. I grabbed Disco, so it's more of like a red tint, and then I grabbed Doll. I'm actually wearing it again today. I've been using Doll a lot because I think it just really adds color to my pale complexion. Packaging is so minimal. I love the matte inside. Hey, what's up? That's you guys. These are really where the stars are. So the packaging is so on point. I'm getting major vibes. These are called their Fluff Mates. So it's a weightless modern matte lipstick. This one is in the color Vacay. This is Nudist, and Nudist is actually what I'm wearing today. As you can see, it is a nice matte nude. Since I am a little bit fair, you can see it's a little bit darker on my complexion. And then I grabbed 143, which is like a berry color. Already tried it out. Love it. It's so creamy and it's not drying. This one's Nudist, so that's what I'm wearing right now. It blends really nicely, and I don't know, it's just like you only need one swipe and then it's good. I have yet to try this one out, but you know, I'm excited. It is a darker shade. And then they came out with like a lip dip yesterday, so I've asked my girlfriend Vanessa, because she's actually in the Philippines right now, to grab me a couple, so I will report back on those. Anyways, that was my Sunnies face haul. Moving on to the rest of this haul, I'm actually gonna move on to bags because I only have 2 of them. I didn't really find any good bags over there actually, which is a little sad because I was really interested in seeing the fun styles they had. Obviously that like circle woven bag that is all over, and it was super cheap, but I don't know, like I feel like there are so many out there, like I just don't really love this style anymore, so I didn't grab that. This is actually made out of sticks and it's painted and it's completely wooden. I thought this one was really fun. Honestly, I would wear this solely for the summertime because, you know, it has that like beachy feel, but I really like the style of it. It's a fun rectangular size. So yeah, I got this one for $5. This one is just so stinking cool to me. It is like a woven straw type of clutch with the brown wood. It comes with a chain, but the chain is silver. I kind of wish it was gold because it would have been like warmer tones. I love that cool like bean shape. It's very interesting and unique, and I've never really seen this before. So yeah, this was kind of like, wow, my aunt has great style. Shout out to her for gifting me this because I'm totally gonna use this. So the first pair of shoes that I grabbed, these are so stinking cute. It's basically like straw woven, and they have like these blue, I think they're flowers or dots or whatever. I love the square toe. I feel like that's really trending right now, especially in the fashion realm, but I love these. Thought they were really fun to wear. I got these ones for $10, so what a good steal for just such cute sandals. These ones are ones that I was so living for all of basically the whole trip because they're pearls. I'm obsessed with pearls, and seeing them on shoes were just like everything to me. It's gotten a lot of love, like it's kind of falling apart at the bottom, but I wore them almost every day. I love that it has that nude strap and then just like a plethora of pearls. It's so extra, and that's me. It was really beautiful with just a simple dress, and then throw these on, making them the statement piece. And yeah, these ones were such a steal. I believe I got them for $11. Last pair of shoes are actually heels. They have a square toe, which again, like I said, is really popular. I thought the straps were fun, and it's just very like minimal. It has that kitten heel and that added bonus. The back of the heel is also square. These were actually one of my priciest purchases. It's okay because I know I'm gonna wear them a lot with like some beautiful, nice black slacks, and I don't even know, like a blazer. Like you can really dress them up. These ones were $35. Not the best deal, but I mean, for a pair of heels that I am completely head over heels for. The rest of this video is going to be my jewelry haul because your girl loves her jewels. We have this beautiful pearl necklace. Absolutely love the pearls. They're so inexpensive there, so you will see a lot of pearls in this haul. Pearls are so expensive in the States, it's so overpriced, but then when you go to the Philippines, it's like $4 to like $20, unless you're like talking about the South Sea pearls, which are just crazy expensive. It is a Baroque style, Baroque meaning that it is its natural form. I really liked that the chain was kind of linked to the pearl. I mixed it up with my layering because I love to layer necklaces. This one was $6. The next item that I grabbed, again, I am actually wearing, and it is a pearl ring. How extra are you to have 3 pearls on one finger? Just thought it was a cool statement ring. And keep in mind, these pearls are all real. A way to tell if a pearl is real, obviously, is by like biting on it. I grabbed this one for $4. Next piece of jewelry I grabbed, it is a pearl bracelet. It just has like little tiny pearls galore, just layered with my favorite pieces of jewelry, and I really like it because, you know, it's very like classic. Pearls are very classic to me. That's why I don't know, I don't mind investing in jewelry. These ones are different colors, same exact thing, but these have peachy tones and then this nice metallic black. I think they were like $6. I have recently been in love with earrings, which is so strange for me. Even a year ago, like, I was just always afraid my ears were gonna close up because I never wore earrings, but for some reason I have just been wearing earrings like crazy. It's actually so cool because my aunt made them, so I thought it was really interesting to like see her work come to life. I thought they were fun and very summery. I actually received this one as a gift from my sister as a birthday present. Shout out to you, sissy. She knows I'm obsessed with pearls. They're gorgeous little pearl drops with like these flower, again, pearls. Yeah, I just thought it was so intricate and interesting, and she totally knows my style. It's crazy. I actually grabbed a ring. This was when I was still in Singapore. It was a ring watch. Honestly, when I was younger, I loved the ring watches. I thought it was so cool, not to use for time, but just because I would always get asked, wow, is that a watch? So I just thought it was like a nice nostalgic memory if I bought this. Honestly, this one is pretty dope though. I can wear it without having to wear my Apple Watch and still be able to tell the time. I'm acting like I'm not gonna use my phone to like check the time, but it was cool. Got it for $8. Next item that I grabbed were these really beautiful Baroque earrings. It sounds like I'm saying broke. Oh my god, I'm broke because I bought so many pearls.
Just kidding.
They have like a shiny sheen to it. I don't know if you guys have heard of Mejuri, but it's a nice jewelry brand in the States. Mejuri is literally selling something very similar to this for, I believe, like $50 or something. I got these for $8. Okay, the last pair of earrings, I swear, are these, I think it's called an ear jacket or something. It's kind of like just hanging out down there. Opted for like the peachy toned color of these pearls because I was buying so many white pearls, and I got these ones for $11. I feel like this is just a pearl haul because I'm sharing with you guys so many pearls. This next piece is a Baroque pearl necklace. I thought it was a funky shape, so that's why I opted for this one, and it has a longer chain, so when I'm not wearing this one, you know, I could throw this on. I got it for $6. Moving on to the last item. This last item is actually my favorite item as well. It is this ring. It is from Mejuri. It's all that like open circle style. I thought it was really pretty. I actually received it from my boyfriend as a gift. The way he gave it to me, we were like on this boat and then my whole family was like behind us, but I was just kind of like having a moment, like really just loving life, and then he opens the box and it has this huge fake diamond on it. So this is what it looked like when he gave it to me, and I was like, oh, thanks. I liked the meaning behind it. Essentially, he said in a couple of years he'll be able to propose to me with, you know, an actual diamond. So for now, this is the placeholder, aka like the base, and then he'll fill in. That was really special to me because, you know, it's essentially a promise ring. Yeah, that was probably one of my favorite moments in that trip. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. It means a lot. Be sure to subscribe and like this if you like hauls. Comment down below what your favorite item was from here, because there's a whole smorgasbord of just different items in here. So yeah, I'm interested to know. See you guys in my next video. Hugs and kisses. Bye, guys.